Keep acid reflux at bay with these tips and tricks. If you suffer from acid reflux, you know how problematic it can become. Besides the pain that you have to deal with, you may need to explain what you go through to loved ones or acquaintances so they can better understand your struggle. Watch this video for more tips on dealing with acid reflux. To sleep well, think about propping your head with a mattress wedge. Anything that angles the bed up will work, including some books or wooden blocks. There are also beds that allow you to make this adjustment electronically. If you suffer with acid reflux, understand how gravity can work in your favor. Sitting upright will help keep food and fluids down after meals, so keep yourself straight. Avoid lying down or even slightly reclining in your favorite chair, as this will exacerbate reflux symptoms quickly. Try going for a short and healthy walk instead. If you have been having any acid reflux symptoms over an extended period of time, make sure that you go in to be seen by a doctor. You may think that this condition is not that serious, but if it is not treated, it can lead to more serious health issues, including ulcers and gastritis. We truly are what we eat. If we eat high-fat foods, we will become obese and be at risk for acid reflux. It is important that we instead focus on low-acid foods, which are lean and healthy. Choose vegetables and whole grain carbohydrates along with lean protein for your meals to curb your suffering. One of the most annoying parts of acid reflux is dealing with telling people about it and explaining what foods you can't eat. However, taking preventative measures can help immensely with this disorder. Remember the tips in this video so living with acid reflux can become somewhat more tolerable for you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.